And moving on to other news, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has called an all-party meeting over the farm laws. This is the second all-party meeting called by Captain over the farm laws. The meeting has begun at the Punjab Bhavan. BJP has skipped the meet. Amandeep is now joining us live on the broadcast to give us more details. Amandeep, in the wake of all that has happened until now over the farm laws, this particular meet that has been called by the Punjab Chief Minister, what's happening there? What's the agenda for today's meet? And BJP, of course, we know, has skipped this meet. Over to you, Amandeep.
Exactly, Swesha. This is the second all-party meeting called by Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, and in fact now Bhagwant Mann, Aam Aadmi Party leader, himself present inside the meeting. Shromani Akali Dal has sent 3 of these leaders to attend this meeting just because it is concerned about the now further headway of this entire agitation. Just because from the very first day since November 26, all political parties are trying to empower the agitation. They are trying to show their support to this farmers agitation. They are showing their concern to the farmers that they are supporting to every extent. So now what happened on 26th of January, that is one concern. And even after that, when the Delhi police have escalated and increased the security on the Singhu border by installing the cemented walls and other security layers, that is the second concern. Just because on the other side, the farmers are having the soft corner. All political parties are showing their soft corner to the farmers, and they all are showing their concern that what next to be done for the safety and security of the farmers. Aam Aadmi Party has its own agenda. They are continuously pressing the Punjab government to send the Punjab police to Singhu border for the protection of the farmers. And in fact, the way the locals were protesting against the farmers, there can be some kind of violence that can affect the farm protests. So Aam Aadmi Party has its own agenda. And even Captain Amrinder Singh, Shromani Akali Dal, they all are showing their concern to the missing people. Since January 26, they have launched their helplines, and even the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has also constituted a team of lawyers to fight the criminal cases registered against these farmers on 26th of January. Everything should be on table, discussed with all the party leaders, what should be done in future, what exactly has to be happen in a peaceful manner. One thing, Swesha, that is the major concern of this entire agitation is, just because the roots of this entire agitation is from Punjab, November 26 was a day when the entire Punjab came on the national highway, break the barricades at Shambu border and reached to the Delhi borders. Since then, all throughout the India, even Haryana, even the Rajasthan, even the Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, all the farmers started pouring into that protest. Now the major concern is after 26, what has happened at the Red Fort. That is a clear-cut challenge to the law.
Pictures from Punjab Bhavan where this meeting is underway, and even as we stay with these pictures, Amandeep, I also wanted to ask you, as the farmers have called for the Chakka Jam on the 6th of February, will that also figure in today's meet?
Yes, exactly, Amita. That is also one of the concerns of this meeting, just because that call was given throughout the nation and majorly affect in Punjab. So that is the another concern, just because that may challenge the law and order situation in the state. And this is one of the major concerns of Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, who always claim that he is not going to deal any kind of lackadaisical attitude about this law and order situation. That Chakka Jam, how it will happen and what kind of effects would be happening on the 6th, and in fact how it can be done in a peaceful manner. From the very first day, Swesha, from June last year, the farmers were sitting on the railway tracks in Punjab, and in fact Captain Amrinder Singh was ensured their safety, but there has to be peaceful protest. So the entire consequences will be discussed. All the parties are having their own agendas.
This has lasted for way too long, and when will a resolution come about? Because it has just been continuing, whether it comes from the side of the centre or the farmers, and even the way the opposition has been looking at this whole issue and dealing with it. We'll keep coming back to you, Amandeep, for more updates. For the moment, we move on to other news.